Hey, this is Gareth from the Edance Learning Lab. We're talking about the structure of academic article writing within that famous IMRAD structure, the introduction, methods, results, and discussion. You've probably heard of the IMRAD structure before, but in our short video series, we're talking about how you can effectively write those different sections. We've talked about titles, we've talked about abstracts, we've talked about keywords. What about that all-important introduction? Now, in your article, overall, you're going to have about 5,000 or 6,000 words for the whole paper. That's the average length of an academic article. So how long should your introduction be? About 1,500 to 2,000 words maximum. So you're going to do your introduction, you set the scene for your academic article as short as possible, but getting all the information in there that's necessary to tell the reader what the paper is going to do. So what about doing it with 3 basic paragraphs? This is a good template structure for the shape of an effective article introduction. Paragraphs or sections starting off by telling your readers what the question is that your paper's going to address. That's the first section of your introduction. Then in the second section, you set the scene. You give the reader what we call the state of the art, relevant key literature around that particular question. What's been written recently, what's been done recently in that area around that question. Set the scene, and then in the third paragraph, the third section, you tell the readers what's going to happen next. Have a look at high impact factor articles published in big international journals. They often finish the introduction with a phrase like, "Here we show." So that's how you can begin that last section of your introduction. Here we show. And you set the scene, you tell the reader what's going to happen next, which provides a bridge into your method section. So 3 chunks for the introduction. What's the question? What's the state of the art? Set the scene with those key recent references, and then here we show to build the paper out into the method section. Thanks for listening. You can follow us here for more tips and tricks for effective academic writing and publishing at the Edance Learning Lab.